to my channel. I am Elizabeth, also known as Lizzie Plays. Today I'm going to be playing Clash Royale with my brother Pancake. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, welcome. I am Pancake. Alright, let's get into this, finally. We should do 2v2 with my double pack attack.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
you're right. Alright.
I'm going to send you. You're still... Hold on, guys. Alright, so I had to back out. There's a technical difficulty. Alright, I'm gonna send you it again, hopefully.
Alright, hold on, guys. She gotta do something with it. Let me just pause it.
Oh, sorry, guys. You might hear my brother talking in his video. So we're gonna play. I like to send emotes. Oh, good luck. I love that emote.
She's family friendly, but we gotta get this through your head. Damn and hell and not bad words. Well, they can be used bad.
Well, they can be.
I say damn.
Like parents can think it's a bad word, so you might not like.
Yeah, we'll try and get
not allowed to say it.
Sandcastle to the.
I'm gonna start out with.
She recently quit Clash just because she said it was getting boring. But I'm
trying
to
really
bring
like
it back
it.
for her, getting some YouTube videos.
Okay, I am gonna put.
So I got it.
I need to make sure like the secrets right there for a dragon. Yeah.
Wrong way, musket.
Dang. Alright. I can. No, come on, get that.
Let's go. Let's go.
I can take that out.
Lumberjack.
Can you get that?
Lumberjack.
I can push it over here. I think. Nope, place it over too far.
Skeleton.
Oh no, I was lagging a little.
Yeah, that was a big lag spike. I get lag.
Dang.
Don't worry, we already got a tower.
Alright, that's one shot, so.
Tower.
Two towers.
What a waste of a freeze. I feel bad.
Don't.
I should though.
I can defend that for a dragon.
Yeah, phone is nothing. Like no one phone a tower or a dragon is it's all nothing when it comes to playing. I'm lagging so much I may have to restart Clash. We were doing a video but we failed. She wanted to do a video with me, so yeah, she's a YouTuber now. She just became one.
Alright, that should easily get defended one shots. Okay.
I'm lagging really bad.
Let's start another push. Alright, I'm gonna do an Inferno Dragon. Gotta make sure my arrows are ready. Ooh, dang, I got a mini P.E.K.K.A. to try and help it. Oh, let's try to over here. Dang it didn't work. Must have been a little too late. But I got him.
Magic Archer really annoying. It's fine.
It okay. And we both missed it.
Where is the love for the log? It's alright. We are at a 6-win streak in this tournament.
Ooh, the P.E.K.K.A.s! The P.E.K.K.A.s just won us a match.
Wait. This is the 5th night emote. Lizzie, did you know about that? They brought in a 5th night emote. That's that one right there. They brought in another one.
I want one.
That's the only one that's in the Battle Pass. That's why if it has a legendary glow around it, like the last season's one, this is the last season's one. It's for the fishermen.
What the heck? Oh, I need 2 more crowns.
Right here. See it?
I really wanted that fish too.
Alright.
Alright, are you gonna open any? Are you gonna do play cards that cost 6 or more elixir? Oh, play 30 cards.
This one, the one at the very bottom. That one at the bottom you can do.
Play 50 spell cards. Okay,
you can do that in
open 10 chests. Okay, I can easily do that. 2 minutes and my chest opens.
You want to wait 2 minutes, or you want me to just?
No, we can just do
chest opening, or do you want to wait 2 minutes and do the chest openings in the?
I can wait 2 minutes and then.
Wait, how about we just play a match? Get your pass right next to you. All right.
Wait. I think I might use a different deck. I'm gonna try out.
Executioner.
Dang, I don't. That's just an air deck.
I have a real hard deck.
Stuff like that. I think I might use Lava Hound. You want to see it? That's my deck. Look.
I have a lava loon.
A lava loon?
Yeah. Love hand balloon.
Oh. I
It's alright, guys.
use...
She's an OG player. Let me see. Do you have the 3-year badge? I think you do.
I don't know. Probably not.
Oh, yeah. No, in a month, she is getting her 3-year badge. I recently got my 3-year badge 5 days ago. Maybe 6 now.
You realize
Okay.
I haven't got my 3-year badge, and I'm already in above 4K.
Okay, I don't play.
I didn't play for a while. I have lava double dragon.
She dared me to play a match just now, a couple minutes ago.
Maybe about 40 minutes or so
Yeah, like
ago.
40 minutes ago when we were off camera, I was like, no. And then she was like, do it or I'm not playing. So I did it, and I waited there, and I went to go cancel it. It put me in a match. Luckily, I won, else I would have been in Arena 8.
1 minute, so exactly 1 minute, so you just want to wait?
Let's just do it. Let's do it. No, let's just go. Send it.
Look, I feel touched. I'm going to send an email in chat.
Alright, why?
Because, like, I just...
How are we doing in war?
Oh my god. My name is Gold. You want to do a challenge? What? Challenge.
Yeah, you get to. You want to do it? I can spectate you for the video.
Yeah.
So this
yes.
is
Oh, I want that.
Okay, so you have every time you get free losses, you can enter for free and you keep your progress because you have battle pass. Well, pass way up.
Oh, I can do that one too. All right, let's go. I'm doing it.
And you get crowns.
And then once I'm done with this match, oh, so it's draft. I love draft. Ooh.
Like,
Now, you guys might not like the cards I choose, but sorry, I like these cards. Ooh, oh my god. No. I'm using this because, like, he could easily take it. Which one? Johnny.
Ram.
Okay, Ram Rider. Hit the wall. Okay. Okay, the night. You stop.
Yeah, that's right. I don't care. Alright.
I don't have anything for that except for
Ice Golem. Alright, mechanic cut.
I know what I'm doing. Alright, I'm not log
Not
that.
candy cut, oh my god. Nice. Alright, you can get a push off of that executioner. Yes.
Yes.
No touchies, executioner.
Oh, come on. I knew I should have chose him. Come here, my best friends. Alright, I gotta distract him. Once you kill him, you're done.
Well, yeah, once you kill him, you're done, but too far you're out of range.
Dang it.
It's not gonna touch tower. Sadly,
should I Ram Rider that?
Ram, no, Inferno. Can Inferno reach? So it would reach to you. Nah, no. Ram Rider? Yeah, Ram Rider would cross, but you would also have to deal with the knight.
I don't know.
But can it cut?
Alright.
Now Ram Rider. Now get. Yeah, I was gonna say get your. Okay, don't. It's not gonna touch because you didn't log it. It touched. Oh my god. Wow. OG. OG OP.
OG up in the house here, bros. Oh my god, that's such a troll.
Annihilated. Nice log if you would do it.
Oh, I didn't have it.
That would have been such a nice log. It would took up both, but it's alright. You didn't have to do that. Oh, I thought it was a log.
I'm not really using logs.
You could probably push with that.
Golem?
Ice Golem. Ice Golem. Nice.
Let's go, Golem.
Not in a type of play. Alright. Nice.
Dang it!
It's alright. He's gonna get you below 600. Wow, yeah. Alright. How am I saying 600? I thought 700.
Oh my god, all of them cards like counter me. And it's like such...
A nice log.
Where?
Right down the middle. It'll take out all spear goblins. And that knight, they moved from the last of the golems.
I'm
nice
not
log.
gonna do good in this. Okay, I'm gonna have to Inferno Tower that, counter all that. What? No!
You just want to keep playing. You want to keep playing, or do you want to
Thanks.
Or you just want to play?
Was he being sarcastic?
No, you said well played.
Oh. See, I want to make sure no one's
You
sarcastic
just
to
want to
me
keep
because I
playing, or
didn't
you want
respect
to do
my
2v2?
I'm going to open my chest. You should also do that challenge. And like,
I already have
what happened to your
one else.
video?
I have to re-get it. It's alright.
Can you add on to it?
No.
Did you just delete that?
No, not yet. It's fine though. Alright.
My video goes on forever.
I don't know why mine doesn't. Let me check things.
I'm on try to do this one. 90 minutes.
Don't open yours yet.
Wait, does them crowns count for this too?
Yeah. Every crown does, except actually tournaments do too. I could create a private
Oh,
tournament.
should we make it? Oh wait, we didn't get to use that
Oh, I
one.
know private tournaments got
I think I'm gonna get rid of this deck and make a new one. I don't know. I could use a bar. What are them things called? Elite Barbarians deck, something like that. Yeah. I'm cringy. I had to just say that. What type of deck should I use? I really want to use like mini pack. I mean, it's such a good card. Oh, and wizard. Why would I get wizard? Ooh, yes. Alright, I need like this is our executioner. Need spell. Yes. Okay, I need this. This is not looking like a good deck. Alright. Oh, minions. Yes. Bats instead of them. How's that deck?
I hate Mega Knight, so I can't tell you.
Okay, then I'll replace it with Royal Giant. How's that deck? I'm just trying to use new decks, see if I like a deck.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, guys. Lizzie's gonna pause the recording because I'm gonna do my intro.
Yeah, his video stopped, so
Yeah, it's alright though.
I have to pause it, so hold on a minute.
Chainsaw boy. Chainsaw Massacre.
I'm gonna say it. Stop. Johnny just farted. Well, Pancake. He just farted, and it sounded like a chainsaw. And he was trying to do an intro. As soon as he started farting. What the heck kind of deck is that? Just kidding. Psych.
Oh no, it's different. Don't call this deck trash.
I got that. Easy dubs.
Yeah, that's cool winning.
Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then that. You needed to help the flame
Every time I push your card,
I am. I don't know what that was, but it is cringy in the neighborhood. Cause that's what I am. Cringe. Yeah, I'm gonna change my name to Cringy Lizzie Plays. Just kidding.
Cringe plays.
Yeah, cringe.
Such a good log. Okay. It's not a good log because she arrowed.
Hey, at least you.
Shit, yeah.
Alright, come on, place it. I dare you. Oh, I guess.
Stupid.
Stupidity. Stop.
Yes.
Yes, Queen.
Yes.
Look, it's Night Witch now.
Oh my god.
Are you
No,
even
it's a
gonna
royal
help
hog spawner. Cheating.
Oh, I should have used it.
Oh my god, he just stomped on us.
Oh, you want to place your log now?
I don't have it in cycle.
Get zapped! I don't know if that was
Would you like to defend tower now?
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to that.
Rip your first paper towel.
Alright, peas in the house, y'all.
Oh my god, I just placed the wrong card. A logging card. Kidding.
Oh, because only levels.
So as you guys can see, we give up at this point.
He gives up. I just had some serious bad lag. No, my witch!
Such a nice log, honestly. One of the greatest logs I've actually had.
It did nothing.
You did a lot of damage.
Okay, they can't even counter that, so it's like... I didn't know that was... But it was cringe. Come on. Come on.
It was so bad at anything.
I don't even know what that was.
Your face was astonishing. You look so great.
My brother's crushing on me. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Wow, bro, sexual. Ow! I just got hooked. Wait.
Okay. That's me. Goblin barrel. Ooh, over 13. Ooh.
Alright, guys, here we go.
Legendary chest. Goblin barrel.
Alright, guys. I'm opening my chest.
Legendary chest.
I'm opening my stuff right now.
Alright, I'm gonna play a match.
Minion horde.
Ooh, fisherman or ice wizard?
Fishman.
Fishman. I never got to use him, so it's like...
He's OP.
Okay,
So
rocket or fireball?
Fireball.
There's no sense.
I just got a rocket. I would trust him.
Fire spirit or ice spirit? Come on! Fire spirits. Yeah, thank you. Minions or musketeer? Come on! 3 seconds.
No, anything.
Minions. If you guys don't like my cards, deal with it. Okay, I'm gonna start out with like this and that. Yeah. That's not even fair. I got like chip damage, so it's like yes. Alright, we got 5 behind. Okay, I almost saw like
Yes, Royal Hog. Let's go 10 of them. I love these chests. I'm only gonna go minimum on a 9-minute video.
Okay. So he did a lot more damage than me.
There.
Well, we're gonna hook him over here.
Oh, God.
Dang, it didn't work. I wanted him to.
Try to get some 10 Royal Hogs.
Dang it.
Mega Minion, I'm fine with that.
Dang it. Oh! You killed my fisherman. What? That's
right.
What are you looking in the chest for?
That was my opening. We
Yeah.
opened so much.
Yeah.
It's in the test tower.
So close. But that's
So he's
tower.
literally begging not to kill him, but
I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna work on this tower.
I mean, you could just fireball.
But I need to save it for like.
No, you just fireball it.
Jesus. Like, fucking.
Do you even know what the fisherman does? God damn! I just opened all that stuff.
Come on, bring him in
No,
here. Oh, it didn't work. I'm good at the game. Totally, as you guys can see.
You know how OP the fisherman is? Lizzie, he's really good. No, wait for the giant.
No.
You should have gone giant. Musketeer will get distracted.
Stop rocking in my thing!
Oh, stop being smart. Nice. Cannon.
Cannon?
Yes.
It's called a cannon cart.
It's called flying machine.
I don't even know what it's called. Alright, well, I at least got
Goblin Bell. 5 spirits. Yay. Fireball. Right there between both. That's fine. Let's go.
Come on, one punch. Yes.
Yes, let's go. First win of the challenge. Not even a rocket could take it out.
It's too late.
Let's go. She just hit the dab. She just hit the dab wall. Dab wall.
No, I just did like an Orange Justice thing. I'm still cringe. Okay, let's see my prize. Golden barrels. 1? Seriously? I feel like I'm nothing now. But I still get a tier. Wait. Oh, I still get a tier. Unlock. Yay! I'm cringe. Wait, do I still get to claim this? Do I get to claim both?
Yeah, and you get to zap them. That's the zap. So now you have 3 whole zaps. 2. You only get to zap that twice. Open.
Oh, jeez. I'm gonna zap gems. I need more gems than that.
You can't zap gems, just so you know. Stupid.
Okay, well, I need to zap that. Go! That's the card I use. And zap that.
Damn it, another hut. I said thing.
Alright. Okay.
Ready to play? So we just get more teas?
Yeah, we need 10 crowns.
That's easy. That's literally 4 wins.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, okay, it's like it's 3 wins and a crown.
It's 3 crown. You suck. It's 3 crown. It's 3 crown wins.
It's 3 crowns.
It's 3 crowns. And just
It's
1 crown.
My dignity gone.
Stop. That's something David would say. What?
David, ding ding dong. 24. Oh, free chest. Already open it. You.
Looking
Fudge.
nuggets.
You really, dude, no way you got that.
What?
Earthquake, I could use those. You can upgrade. What level can you upgrade Earthquake to?
I don't have earthquake. Oh, I know what you mean now. My earth. Is level 6.
Mine's almost level 10.
No, mine's level. No, that's because you use all your gems. I mean, coins to upgrade every card.
No, to upgrade this one deck to level 10. It's almost all level 10s.
Look at that. I'm so good at the game.
I didn't get a free card. Man.
I'm so good at the game.
Alright, I need, I'm about to get this entire shop.
I can't even request cards anymore.
You know how I have so many coins? Not really. Well, this is what I do with my coins. This is what I do with my coins. Wasted on all the shop.
Why?
Guys.
Can you just get me a... Can you make me go?
Fine.
I don't want to be just some fucking...
Level? Level 11.
I don't just want... That's not even fair. I'm level 11. I don't want to be some freaking weirdo down here.
I'm almost level 10. I'm at 13. No, you didn't say fogging. You said fogging.
Fudgins! I want a fudgesicle.
Can I trade? Oh, I have a legendary trade token.
Ooh.
I need a lumberjack.
I can't trade.
I need a lumberjack for a bandit.
Wait. Normally I always have like... Nah. But you need bandits. Bandits in your deck.
It's already level 10. It says log.
Stop. Alright, come on, let's play. I can't.
I need to request now.
I can't even, Johnny. Look. I just joined the clan, so I can't.
You know what I could do?
And I don't even have any of that, so it's like...
I could get rid of that thing I just asked for and get a fisherman and trade you fisherman for, just give you fisherman.
Alright, let's play. Yes. Queen. Alright, so I'm gonna invite him. We're gonna play again.
We're not doing a fogging video.
Stop!
I said fogging.
I'm a kid-friendly channel.